Hi traders, David here from Wave Trader. I want to show you a short trade I'm currently in on the Euro USD, and I want to show you what I saw and how I got into this trade. Now, I took this trade on my phone because as at the time I saw the trade opportunity, my for some reason my laptop was having issues with my internet connection, so I decided to take it on my phone instead, but I'm just going to walk you through how I got into this trade. Now, this is the area you are going to focus on the 1 hour chart. So I got in somewhere here, okay, but I'm just going to walk you through and do a top-down analysis and show you what's happening. So going to the monthly chart on the Euro, you can see that on the monthly chart, the present candle is bullish, okay, and I believe that the euro is poised for a bullish move in the near future, okay, for the next couple of months most likely. So let's go to the weekly chart and see what we see. So on the weekly chart, this is what happened previous weeks, and right now what is happening is a dip, okay, in an obvious uptrend. You can see we have our wave, what do you call this, the positive divergence, okay, and I believe that whenever there's a positive divergence, we should have a dip. The dip is what will create the wave top situation for us on this weekly chart, okay. So essentially we are looking for something that will look like this most likely, okay, maybe, okay, it doesn't have to be like this, but something along that line. So but that's on the weekly, okay. So let's go down to the daily and see what we see. Now before I go to the daily, you can see here that we have what looks like an inverted hammer, okay, and usually this is a reversal candlestick. So if we have an inverted hammer bar here, then it means that we are going to see a wave top situation on the daily chart, and so most likely at least for the rest of this week we might be thinking shorting our trades on the euro, okay, before the upward trend resumes. So going to the daily, this is what's happening, and on the daily chart you can see we have railroad tracks here, which is also another reversal formation on candlesticks, okay. So definitely this is a dip in an uptrend, okay. How far this is going to go, it might get to this area of support and resume the upward move, or it might go lower, okay. But for now, on the daily chart, we have our wave bottom situation here, and this is the third wave, and I believe that we are currently in the fourth wave, okay. But that's on the daily chart. So I saw this move, and as far as I'm concerned, I was actually content to wait for this downward move to um, peter out, and then I would just flow with the upward direction, which is actually what my intention was for the euro this week, okay. So but I just kept my eye on it, and when I came to the charts today, this is what I did. I actually drew a trend line here, okay, and I was watching this trend line with the intention that once price breaks beyond the trend line, then the upward trend will resume. Of course, I'll be waiting for a wave bottom situation and a golden cross on MACD, and preferably a golden cross on the EMAs, and a green arrow confirmation of an upward move, okay. So that's what I was actually waiting for. Of course, I knew that wasn't going to happen today, but I was just watching the charts. So I was watching the charts on the 1 hour chart, okay. I was watching it on the 1 hour time frame rather, and I watched it all the way from, I believe, somewhere in this region all the way to this point, okay. I knew that the downward move had not was not finished because it hadn't yet crossed the trend line. But when I got this arrow confirmation of a downward move, I decided to take a quick short trade. Now, this could actually go much further, okay, but at least I was content with what I saw. And I'm going to go lower to the 15-minute chart and show you what I saw. So I saw this. Actually, I took the trade on the 1 hour chart, but I'm just going to 15-minute chart and explain to you what I saw. Okay, so going to the 15-minute chart, you can see that we have a very beautiful wave top situation here, and then we had a smaller wave top situation. And as long as you see these things, they always work out for you if you are trading in the direction of the trend. So my entry was at 1.13209, which is 1.13209 is somewhere here, just here in this region here. Okay, I got in. I used the 1 hour time frame, but I'm just showing you on the 15-minute how I got into the trade. So I got into the trade and I took my calculation using this wave top situation here. I didn't use the smaller one. Remember, I did it on the 1 hour chart, and I'm just going to show you. Okay, so I did my calculation on this wave top. Okay, and you can see my price targets. So I set my price target for the third level, okay, which is 1.12404, I believe, and I'm currently in profit on my app, right, on my phone's trading app right now. So what do we see here? You can see we have a valid wave top situation in a downtrend, okay, and you can see we have a dead cross on the MACD and a dead cross on the EMA. So all the three requirements for a classic wave top shorting opportunity, and I took it. So getting in at 1.1320, 1.1320 to the third profit target is good for about 79 to 80 pips. So this is a very beautiful trade for an intraday trade, and I'm quite happy with it. I'm still in the trade, and I've moved my stop. Initially, I set my stop here at the 79% retracement area here, and once I saw that I was in profit, I believe I moved my stop to, I'll just have a quick look, 1.1302, 1.13, okay, just here. Okay, so if for any reason there is a sharp spike in price, then I will get taken out, but at a profit probably of about 20 to 25 pips. But right now I'm still in the trade, and I actually believe that the trade has the potential to go as low as probably even the fifth target, but I'm okay with the third because I am actually waiting for the upward trend, which I believe is the prevalent trade. Okay, but you know, when you see opportunities, you take them as you see them. So I just wanted to show that to you guys and to encourage you to not get disheartened if you can't seem to see the wave top situations. Okay, you just keep watching your charts and practicing, and eventually it will become very clear to you. So happy trading everyone, and thank you very much.